Want to crush it online but confused by all the digital marketing buzz? Let's simplify. Here are the 4 key types you need to know. First, content marketing. Creating valuable content, blogs, videos, podcasts, that pulls customers in by solving problems or entertaining. Next, social media marketing. Building your brand and engaging with your audience where they hang out. Think Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Then search engine marketing, or SEM. Paid ads on Google and Bing to get your website in front of people actively searching for what you offer. Finally, email marketing. Sending targeted messages straight to your audience's inbox to nurture leads and drive sales. Master these 4 types and you're on your way to digital marketing success. Want a quick start guide? Drop a comment. I got you.